Yes, wie is hier guys, Vanity Tech. Time for unbox. It's been a while I did an unbox and today I got something for you guys. Zeblaze GTS, alright? This smartwatch from Zeblaze GTS. It has been sent over to me by Banggood. There's gonna be some links down below into the video description, guys. Please check them links. Maybe they can help you understand a bit more. What I'm gonna do in this video, apparently besides unboxing the product, is gonna be my first impression of the product. Also trying to set it up and prepare it for a nice review. So it's gonna be an unboxing video, first impression video. We're gonna be reviewing what is inside the Zeblaze GTS, and it's gonna be more than that because I'm going to do the switch. Alright, I'm gonna leave my Active 2 for a while to be able to wear this baby and test it so I can prepare myself for the full review of this product. Before we start, I wanna set the scene here, guys. We're talking about a watch that costs around 30, 35, 40 US dollars. This watch has built-in speakers and also microphone. So this option here is probably one of the most affordable options to get a built-in speaker and also microphone. But without any further ado, let's open the product. There's probably more to this. So you see, brand new, sealed in a package. Okay, I'm just taking this off. Very careful with my professional blader here, all right? Before I open the box for the first time, we have a nice packaging, I would say quite modern. We have Zeblaze here, nice logo. We have the product displayed, fancy color. We have GTS here, smart fitness watch. On that side, we have working on Google Play, above Android 4.4, and of course also on iOS. So apparently also works on the iPhone. And here this The Fit, okay? I think this is the application that is used to manage the watch, synchronize audio step. On the side we have again Zeblaze GTS, the model of the watch Zeblaze, quite nice packaging. On the back we have some specifications. We have again the logo Zeblaze. We have the product name is Smart Fitness Watch, the model is GTS. What is inside the package? The smartwatch. There is one strap, one cable, one user manual. The manufacturer is Shenzhen Zeblaze Smart Company Limited. This is the address, made in China. I'm gonna be linking down below in my video also the site to Zeblaze because they apparently have a lot of smartwatches, probably some very interesting offers. And now guys, okay, can you hear the drums? Unboxing it for the first time. Okay, wow. Okay, so this is the inside of the box, guys. We apparently have the product. Now I will remove this one here. Okay, this is what hosts the watch. Okay. Please read the user manual carefully before using the smartwatch. It's very light in the hand, by the way. And the materials are not bad, I can tell you. It doesn't really feel cheap. Oh, okay, yeah, you see what happens here now. Let me just save that moment. I want to see what else is inside the box. Okay. So we have, again, some packaging here, some cardboard. I'm gonna put this away. That's apparently the charger. Okay, let me just see how this works. So charger, one charger with 2 pins. Okay, aha, I got it now. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to charge the watch, I guess. Okay, all right. This here is the charger that is used on the Huawei GT2 Pro. So it's pretty much the same. I think it has just magnet. So it's kind of the same. You have 2 pins here. All right, it's a bit more bulky, I would say. And here we have the strap and the instructions. And this is blue, and I kind of like the color, guys. Like a lot of my straps are really black. So speaking about the strap, okay, I'm just testing the material here. Feels quite nice and fancy. Comparing it to the Samsung Active 2 watch, this really doesn't feel much different, right? Pretty much the same as what I have into the Active 2 watch, so probably also interchangeable. That's quite good. Let me then just connect the strap to the watch and I'm gonna be doing this switch. Now I got the strap connected, guys. One thing missing only. Let's do this together. I know this is the favorite moment when you have a new product. Yes, removing it. Okay, good. And now guys, the switch, I told you, I'm removing my Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch and I'm switching to the Zeblaze GTS. I'm gonna be wearing it for some days, testing it. By the way, this really is light in the hand. It is only 38 grams. It has this square shape contrary here to the Active 2, which is round, and I think it's actually a bit lighter. Alright, apparently you can get the straps in blue, in grey, purple, in black. I think the blue one is very nice. And guys, we see here that we have a crown. It's also like the button. On the back you can find the sensors. It does have a heart rate sensor. It also has proximity sensors, accelerometer. It does not really have a GPS or an ECG and even an NFC. But again guys, don't forget you have the built-in speaker here and you have also tons of features. This here is the booklet and you have Russian, you have tons of language, English of course, all the nice instructions how to download Dafit and then also set up your watch. Let me try to start the watch by the way. The display here is an IPS display and it has 240 by 240 pixel resolution. Actually it does look quite nice and clear. I'm wondering how it's gonna behave when I go outside on the sun. By the way, I managed to start the watch, so it even has battery inside. Okay, what I can see here on the screen, we have the time. Right, I need to calibrate that one. We have the heart rate, we have the steps, calories. Okay, let me just see. Okay, oh, you navigate by just swiping left and right. If I go to the right, I get this nice menu. All right, I'm gonna leave this, of course, for the full review. If I swipe to the right side, I get apparently some fitness information like the steps. Let me go one more time. I get probably my data from sleeping and of course also heart rate, exercise, phone, blood pressure. Wow, blood pressure, blood oxygen. All right, this one doesn't have blood oxygen, weather and shutter. Okay, you can probably use this as a remote shutter. I'm putting this on my hand because this video is meant to provide some initial impressions and prepare myself for using this watch. Okay. I think it looks quite nice by the way, right? With this shape of the watch and also with this color. Let me get my phone. Okay guys, I got my phone in my hand, the Pixel 3a running Android 12. And now about to scan the QR code for the fit. Okay, now I can open the link. Opening in Play Store app. I'm gonna now install the Dafit application and perform a connection to my brand new watch. Let's try to connect to the watch. You have not linked a device. Okay, adding a watch. Please, oh, directly, very quick, immediate, I think, connecting, let's see. Oh, and I have here now already the right time displayed. I would say flawless connection, guys, 32%. This really worked, okay, very nicely, I would say. Okay, pair and connect, okay, allow access to all of my contacts. This here is the Fit main screen. It does look quite nice, guys. I used Huawei Health application, I used Samsung Health Monitor, I used Xiaomi Mi Fit. This one really looks like on its own. Really, I like the design. You have the steps here, you have the sleep, you have the heart rate, you have continuous heart rate. Okay, I will anyway save this for my full review. Right now I can just see that I have the watch connected. We have the watch faces here and apparently a lot of nice watch faces to be chosen for. Let's go for that one. All right. Oh, and here it is, quite nice by the way, and I think the contrast is really quite nice. I'm gonna be taking this baby definitely outside. It does support also wake up by lifting the hand, which is something that I use quite often. And when you press here more watch faces, then apparently you can get swamped with a lot of watch faces. Oh, out of the box, so many. This is really great. Okay guys, I'm gonna stick to that one, using it for my test. Let's see what else we have. We have notifications, we have alarms, we have the shutter, which is the remote shutter. We have also others. Unisystem, yeah, I can go to metric now, and probably here I'm gonna get now kilometers. Very nice. Do not disturb, reminders, continuous heart rate detection. You have the language. Oh, we have Russian, we have Spanish, French, quite nice. You have the click view here, I need to test that one. You have the drink water reminder, weather, physiological cycle reminder, menstrual management, pregnancy conditioning, and gender health. I think this is really packed with features. It's really strange to see so many features into this price tag. All right, and you have also upgrade. Let me just check, guys, if there is a new firmware for my watch, because if that's the case, I am going to upgrade it. I don't have the battery. Okay, I'm gonna charge it first, then upgrade it to the latest firmware. Let's just go back. All right, here we have all the settings, background operation, protection, and etc, etc. Now, my first impression with the watch, guys, the screen really impresses me. Everything is pretty much teamed with my bracelet. The design is quite likable, and it does really not feel cheap. Honestly, it's a cheap watch, but the feeling is not of a cheap product. The material used on the straps is quite nice, and it is very, very light. Again, you're not gonna get all the sensors here, but you have the main things, and what is most important, you have a speaker. And you can also make phone calls because it also has a microphone, but I will leave all of this for the full review. Now guys, don't forget to check out the links into the video description. If you like this watch, you can find more information also about the Zeblaze company. I'm going to be linking also their website, and come back here in a few days where I'm going to be doing my full review for this watch. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please stay healthy. I'm gonna catch up in one of my next videos. VST over and bye.